Are you looking for a family-friendly suburb of Philadelphia with rolling hills, horses, but still have a simple commute? A home in Malvern, PA could be what you have in mind. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph. Malvern is located on the southern region of the Main Line. It has a very rural feel with a charming small town center. It centers Lancaster Avenue with shopping, conveniences, fine and casual dining, and is quaint and mostly revitalized. King Street is a charming street that has some of the greatest shops and amazing restaurants. Alex's Pizza, best pizza sauce ever. Worrell's Butcher Shop, which has the most amazing pork chops. And you must stop by the Flying Pig Saloon or Terra Culture as well. Malvern has a historic section, historic Sugar Town, which you can visit for a small fee, with great for families and visitors. The Wharton Esherick Museum is a must-see with an unbelievable, very talented woodworker. Malvern has grown in the recent decades and many of the shopping is modern. Malvern, PA real estate includes historic small stone homes to very large new custom homes. And most homes enjoy remarkable scenery of the area, and the northwestern section of Malvern is a bit more remote with newer homes, large lots in the Great Valley School District. These prices are a bit lower than the different East Town areas, and if you would like a complete list of homes for sale in Malvern, PA, or if you're looking to sell a home in Malvern, PA, please reach out. I am a top-ranked Malvern, PA realtor and a local. Kimmy Rolph sells the Main Line and local areas.